Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at this road. This is what you call progress for Jamaica. Now can you imagine when you can drive from one end of Jamaica to the other on a road like this? This is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this road hasn't been officially given a name yet, but it is the road that takes you from Portland to St. Andrew, from basically Portland to Harborview. Now guys, what name do you think they should give this road? We did a video before where we said they should name this road the Andrew Holness Highway, and I'll tell you why. But let me just show you the road first. Now this is not a toll road. This road is free, you don't have to pay to use it. And this road was built during Mr. Holness's tenure as Prime Minister. It was because of him why this road was built. If it wasn't for him, this road would probably not have been built. So that is why I said they should name it after Mr. Holness. You don't have to name the entire 140 kilometers. You can name the 20 kilometers from Harborview to Yalos. That section of the road should be named the Andrew Holness Highway. The other sections, for instance, from Yalos to Morant Bay, you could give that section another name. And then from Morant Bay to Port Antonio, that section could be given another name. Now the name of the project to build the road is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. But the name of the road has not been announced yet. Now this road is going to be officially opened. It should have been December 31st, 2023, but although the road is finished, they still have some work to be done, like installation of stoplights, street lights, and some minor construction, but all 4 lanes are open. So this road should be officially opened, I would say, within the next 30 days. But when it's opened, I'm hoping they'll announce a name for it, because it would be good to name this road as they open. Now, the reason why I say that is Highway 2000 was opened 2 sections. Highway 2000 Kingston to Maypen, and it was Highway 2000 East-West leg. And then a couple years later they renamed it the PJ Patterson Highway. And people still think of that road as Highway 2000 East-West leg because they took so long to rename it. That's why I'm hoping they will name this road as quickly as possible so that we don't have that problem. And then the North-South Highway, or Highway 2000 North-South leg, was recently renamed the Edward Seaga Highway. And the same thing, people still refer to that road as Highway 2000 North-South leg because it took so long to rename it. So I think they should just open this road sometime this year to be officially open as the Andrew Holness Highway. Now, originally, the plan was to build a highway from Kingston to Portland going through the hills and build a toll road. But Mr. Holness said, no, build it through the towns, basically build it along the existing roadway and expand the roads. And because he was Prime Minister, it was done that way. And it turned out to be, I think, the right move, because everybody can use this road now. It has literally opened up this side of the island, the eastern part of Jamaica. Towns like Bull Bay, Albion, Yalos, Morant Bay, Port Antonio. You can all access them easily and quickly from this road. And it's not a toll road. It's not a toll road. Now, guys, we're not a political channel, so we will give credits to Mr. Patterson because he built Highway 2000. It's known. If it was not for Mr. Patterson, Highway 2000 would not have been built. And that model for Highway 2000 is working well in Jamaica. Now, that road is a toll road, and they're building them right through the island from Kingston to Negril, and then you're going to have an interchange in Black River or Hodges that takes you to Montego Bay, all toll roads. Then you have the toll road from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and then they're going to expand it from Ocho Rios to Trelawney, and then eventually from Trelawney to Montego Bay. Great. This nation owes Mr. Patterson a lot for starting those road projects. Although he didn't build out the entire network, he did start it and build it out while he was Prime Minister. And it's the same thing that Mr. Holness did for this road. That's why this road should be named after him. And maybe you just name it the Holness Highway, because I don't know, that would be political. But this road should be named after him, whether the Andrew Holness Highway or the Holness Highway. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And also, do you think they should, when this road is officially open, do you think they should have the name ready to go then, so that people don't get into the habit of referring to it as a Southern Coastal Highway, like what happened with Highway 2000? Alright, so we're now in Harborview, and this highway officially ends at the Harborview Bridge. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.